Okay, so I'm in my car and me and my mom are on our way to work because I work with my mom, for those of you who don't know. And we had to drive separate today, and she was like, my car kind of broke down, so on your way to work can you just like come by and whatever. So yeah, her car is not working. The battery, I guess, works because all the lights are on, but it's the starter, I guess, that doesn't work. And it is raining and it is really cold out. And we have to use my car. We have to use my car to go to work, which is fine, except that after this my mom has another job, so I'm gonna have to bring her there and then pick her back up, because then we both have work together. So and yeah, so pretty ratchet today, but yeah, so this is probably gonna be something for Vlogmas in a vlog. I have to download a thing on my computer to like edit, because I have it on my phone, but obviously now that I have a camera I don't need it. And it keeps making that weird noise. And it is just raining and it's cold out and my car is a mess. Ew. I need a vacuum. Alright, so I will talk to you guys later. Okay, so I'm waiting to pick my brother up from school. I know I look so bad right now, but I honestly don't. I just don't care. It is like a rainy, gloomy day out, and after this I have to go back to work for a few hours. Right now is 2:30, and yeah, it's just rainy and gloomy, and it's just like one of those days where I just didn't feel like putting a lot of makeup on, so I only have eyeliner and mascara on, and that's it. But I stopped at Dunkin' Donuts and got an iced coffee. Yeah, I got Snickerdoodle to be festive since it's December. And I can get my strap back in there. And yeah, it's December 1st. And wait, let me just see how bad this is. Ew, But anyways, tonight the Polar Express is on and I am so excited, and I literally turn into a 5-year-old around the holiday times, because I don't know, it's always just been such a happy and like magical time for me, and even though I'm like older now, I don't want to like lose that, so I just keep it fun. And I've actually watched a Christmas movie every night since Thanksgiving, and tonight the Polar Express is on and I'm just so excited. That's in my top 3 favorite Christmas movies ever, so I'll be home before that, so I'll be able to watch that, and I'm so excited. And now I'm gonna drink some coffee and wait for my brother to come out of school, and then I probably won't talk to you guys until after work, so yeah, bye. Hey Rob, what are we doing?
Boots for her. And fine jewelry. JCPenney.
Polar Express time?
Everyone saves.
Why do you get the big couch?
Friends and family sale. Get an extra 25% off with coupon on great home sale items. Use your coupon on Keurig cookware.
You're cute.
JCPenney. We're giving.
Don't fall asleep.
And I turn around and there's 3 rattlesnakes.
3 rattlesnakes.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
I see you.
You're covered. State Farm agents are there whenever you need them.
Hey, future me. Hey, future me. So this is what I look like. We
Okay, the typical bacon cheeseburger is all bacon. But what if you sneak in some serious
call each other
what?
What?
call each other butts. And that's my future self. Gotcha.
You're a weirdo.
I'm stuck. Help!
You are fine.
Wait.
This holiday, I can count on my
Fun again.
going on.
One that time. That's
So that's 2 things.
Introducing real-time delivery notifications. Sign up at myusps.com.
That time that was not me. It was Ollie. Wherever Ollie is.